Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode like this. What you just need to do is just to make a walk. All right, so mount your camera, look at me there, just make a walk for few seconds or few minutes depending on how long you want your video to be. Look at me there. That is all you need to do. Just make a walk, and after making this walk now, that is all. You can now just walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, welcome to your gallery. As we create this video together, click on CapCut, new project, then import this your video to work space. Look at that volume sign there. We are going to be clicking on it to silence the volume like we always do. Let's locate where we want the video to start from. Keep adjusting it until you see the character coming. Look at the character there. Click here and make a split. Delete this first part. So at this point, you are going to be clicking here now to expound it. Look at the character there. So click here, then you expound the video. After expounding it, you want to mark anywhere and click on overlay, add overlay, then you import this your green screen. All right, you go and look for remove bg, locate remove bg guys. Click on remove bg, chroma key, you want to drag it and mark on this good. Now go back, click on it and locate adjust. Go and look for adjust guys. Click on adjust now, HSL, look for it. You click it and mark on that green, reduce saturation to 100%. You mark on this good, then you go back. Now you take time and position this character where you want the character to be. All right, just do your necessary amendment here. Okay, your positioning, take time to do your positioning. Look at it. Just drag this one back a bit. Look, no, this my video seems is too short. I am going to be clicking the video now to drag it a little bit. Then you come and position the green screen again. At this point now, this video is ready. All right, we are going to be playing it from the beginning to see what we have got. But this video is ready. Remember to add your sound effects and every other effect. After that, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add my sound or other effects. Put me through. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just DM me, then I am going to put you through on how to add those effects. Then after that, you click on export now. Then you export this video to your gallery. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. But guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have magic effects or CapCut tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. If you love this video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button. All right, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.